Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change recycle bin icon to popcat icon. I put the ready version of the popcat icon in the description section. If you want to use the normal version of popcat, not the animated version, you just need to find the popcat picture without open and closed mouth as transparent and PNG. Then you just need to change these PNG images to ICO guys. Since I thought this process might be annoying, I prepared and put the animated version of the PopCat in the description section. You can easily access those pictures from there. You just need to open up it and click on the download option on top right corner and download it. And you just want to open it and copy this picture, drag and drop to desktop guys. Now after dragging drop to desktop, and you just want to need to take a copy of these pictures guys. You just need to move these pictures to disk guys. For that you just need to copy these two pictures, click on copy it and go to file explorer, go to this PC guys, go to local disk C, and you just need to take a copy. In here you just need to click on new and select folder and name this as cat image image. You just need to right click on it and select paste guys. In here paste it. After pasting it you just need to close out of here. Now go to settings. For that right click on the start icon, select settings. In settings left side you just need to select the personalization. On right side you just need to scroll down and select themes, and you just need to scroll down and select desktop icon settings. Here we will set the picture with the mouth open as empty in here recycle bin, and the picture with the mouth closed as full in here. First thing, we just need to go to click on the recycle bin empty and click on change icon and click on browse, go to desktop and click on the open mouth in here, click on open it, click on OK. Recycle bin empty open mouth and recycle bin full is select change icon again. You just need to select the close mouse picture guys. Now the same way go to desktop and select the close mouth picture, click on open, click on close, OK, and select apply and OK guys. This changes will take effect now. Click on close. Now we changed the icon of our recycle bin guys. Now we are checking to see if the changes we made worked or not. Select anything here and move to desktop. That is closed guys. It's actually working. As you can see, there was no changes in our recycle bin. This changes happens when we refresh our desktop. Right click on it and select refresh. As you can see, the popcat mouth is closed. To do this automatically, go to search menu and type registry, click run as administrator and select yes. In registry you just need to go to HighKey current user and go to software folder and expand the Microsoft and expand the Windows. Scroll down and select the Windows, expand it and expand the current version. In here you just want to expand the Explorer, click on expand it, and in here you just need to search for CLSID, click on expand it, and in here you just need to check that 645FF040. You just need to expand it and select the default icon. At this point you just need to check my file path location guys. I will zoom in my video in top of it. After checking it, on right side you just want to double click on the empty and full. You just need to type comma and 0 at the end of this value data. Select OK, and the same thing for the full value guys. Double click on it and go to the last value and type comma 0 and select OK. For save changes take effect, you just want to close out of here, close out of here, right click on the desktop and select refresh now. And as you can see, our popcat recycle bin is working successfully. Unfortunately, this process only works when our recycle bin is completely empty, guys. So if we delete a file while our recycle bin is full, there will be no change in the PopCat, guys. I show you. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Give me a silly comment. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.